You ready? I'm here with Mr. Dalkey, and he just got his plumbing fixed through HomeServe USA, and I'm with Fixer Company Plumbing. My name is Jason, master number M38904. Mr. Dalkey, can you tell us how you're feeling right now?
I'm really relieved. Fixer Company did a really great job. They came out, dug out the hole they had to get under my house, and replaced a lot of 50-year-old under the house plumbing. And then they put 2 commodes in for me, and they were very professional, very caring, and I really appreciate all the servitude that they brought forth on their project. And Jason and Samuel did a wonderful job. I appreciate it.
So we did like a little bit of a tunnel under your house,
Yes, sir.
and replaced some of the old pipes that was broken.
Right, yeah. 50-year-old cast iron pipes, and they replaced them with PVC, and I'm looking forward to another 20+ years of service.
How long have you been having problems with your toilets draining?
It's been on and off, including my tub I bought this house in 91, so there you go, 25+ years. I've had a lot of problems.
And your tub wasn't draining at all.
No, not at all.
And
not at all.
What were you having to do with your toilet paper?
Well, I've been using single ply toilet paper forever, and I've been having to put it in the trash bin because it would clog the pipes
Every time you flush it.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So now it's flushing good.
Yes.
We just replaced that end piece. You still have some old pipe that's under there. We didn't
Yes.
replace everything.
Right.
But you've got that section of the pipes has been replaced, and you should be in a good shape for a while. I mean, you still got old pipes, so
Right.
that'll be something that you'll address at a different time.
At a different time.
But for now, you're good.
Absolutely.
And it's been a pleasure working for you.
Thank you, Jason.
And hopefully we don't see you anytime soon.
Yeah, that's the thing. There you go.
Yeah, we'll take care of you if you call us.
And when I call service line warranties, and I'll ask for Fixer Plumbing Company.
Well, it's
Absolutely.
actually HomeServe USA now, because I think that they actually own Service Line now.
Oh, okay,
But it's
yeah.
HomeServe USA.
Yeah. All right, great. I'll call HomeServe and ask for Fixer Plumbing Company. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
And you can always request us, and we'd be glad to come out and help you.
Thanks, Jason.
All right, again,
Thank you
good to
so
see
much.
you.
Thank you, Samuel.